Welcome to our channel. If you need to get federal student aid with FAFSA, even if you're overwhelmed, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the process successfully. Step 1. Visit studentaid.gov to access the official FAFSA application. Create an FSA ID if you don't have one, which serves as your electronic signature and allows you to access federal student aid websites. Step 2. Gather required documents before starting, including Social Security numbers, driver's license, tax returns for you and your parents if you're a dependent student, W-2 forms, and records of untaxed income. Step 3. Understand dependency status, which determines whose financial information you report. Most undergraduate students under 24 are considered dependent unless they meet specific independence criteria. Step 4. Start your FAFSA application by entering basic demographic information, including your name, date of birth, social security number, and contact information. Step 5. Report your school information by adding the federal school codes for colleges you're considering. You can add up to 10 schools and change them later if needed. Step 6. Complete the financial information section carefully. Use the IRS data retrieval tool when prompted to automatically import tax information, which reduces errors and speeds processing. Step 7. Answer questions about special circumstances, such as unusual family situations, financial changes, or multiple family members in college, which may increase your aid eligibility. Step 8. Review your information thoroughly before submitting. Sign and submit your FAFSA electronically using your FSA ID. You'll receive a confirmation email and a student aid report summarizing your information and expected family contribution. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.